The election process for Bihar Assembly to be completed before the 22nd of November. Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar confirms polling in 2 phases. India's no handshake snub continues as women's team skipper Harmanpreet Kaur avoids eye contact and handshakes with the Pakistani captain at the Women's World Cup game in Colombo, marking the 4th straight Sunday meeting between cricket teams from the 2 nations. Shameless Pakistan awards Mohsin Naqvi for stealing the Asia Cup trophy, covers up fiasco in the final with a national award. "17 people dead in Darjeeling as the Dudia Iron Bridge collapses. Landslides cuts off roads amidst heavy rains. Prime Minister Modi condoles the loss of lives, says the situation is being monitored. The toll in the cough syrup-linked deaths in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan rises to 14. Doctor who prescribed the medicine has been suspended and arrested. Centre steps up alert on children's deaths linked to cough syrup in MP and Rajasthan, set to hold a video conference with states today. The CDSCO writes to Tamil Nadu FDA for action against the maker of Coldrif cough syrup. SIT led by IPS officer Asra Garg reaches the Karur stampede site for the probe. The committee constituted by the Madras High Court.